Welcome to the wonderful town of Cavtat in Croatia. This charming town is located on the Adriatic coast in the southernmost part of Croatia, just a few kilometres from the city of Dubrovnik. This picturesque town offers a unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty. One of the main attractions of Cavtat is its stunning coastline. The town boasts a long promenade that stretches around the waterfront, offering visitors breathtaking views of the crystal clear waters of the Adriatic Sea. The rocky coastline around Cavtat is also a major draw, with warm waters perfect for swimming, snorkeling and other water sports. The town also has a rich history, which is evident in its many historical buildings and landmarks. For instance, this stunning marble mausoleum, the final resting place of the Rasic family, which is known for its intricate carvings and set with beautiful views over the town and the sea. For those interested in local culture, the Bukovac House Museum is a must visit. This historic house was once the home of the famous Croatian painter Vlaha Bukovac and now acts as a museum showcasing his artwork and personal belongings. Cavtat is also known for its lively nightlife. The town has a number of bars and restaurants that cater for all tastes and budgets, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind after a day of sightseeing and sunbathing. This beautiful Croatian town is an ideal destination for a relaxing holiday by the sea. With its stunning coastline, rich history and live atmosphere, it's no wonder this charming town has become one of Croatia's most popular tourist destinations. Cavtat is located close to the Dubrovnik airport. This is great for your transfer, but it's directly under the flight path. This is great for plane spotters, but not so good if airplane sounds bother you. I've stayed in this wonderful town on a holiday in the past and I'm happy to answer any questions you might have about this area. Just pop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps this channel. Here's another great holiday destination I visited on screen now for you to check out. Thanks for watching this video though. See ya!